Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to KT Garage. This is part 13 of the Humvee Recon project. We're gonna continue to work on the interior and trying to push it towards the finish line. Almost there. I just need a few more weekends to tie up some loose ends, and then we'll move forward with the project. So yeah, let's get right to it. I'm going to use the bead roller for all the interior pieces since I'm using thinner metals. These are 18 gauge, and I'm going to be able to roll some of the beads into it. So you can see I already did one piece here, and basically it's about a 1/4 inch recess into there, and the whole point for this is just to give us some more structural support, since when you're rolling the beads, you kind of making the metal a little bit stronger, because this has more than just a 2D. It's a 3D dimensions. It's holding much better shape. So you can see I rolled that one. I did another piece over here. I'm gonna take it in. I'm gonna show you how I roll the beads. It's kind of a neat device. So I'm gonna go ahead and do finish up all of these, cut the metal pieces, roll all the beads in it, then we'll start welding all that stuff in. Okay, so first you need to put in the offset lines where you want to roll, and I use the ruler, something like this, to create an offset, and then I just draw that line. Makes it real easy to make an offset line. And so you need some kind of radius. What I use is this right here, just a cap for one of the spray can, and I just put right there and trace the line. It's that simple. So you put it on all radiuses, because you're gonna have to roll it in one pack to make a nice piece. So now the roller looks something like this. This one is from Eastwood. You can pick this up from anywhere, eBay, everybody's selling them, Amazon. So the roller is right here. So you can see that it's kind of just put an indent on it, and then you have a helper to turn this. It's great. I'm a one-man shop, so I'm gonna have to like use one of my hands to roll, and then and then I have to watch and make sure it goes in a straight line. I'll show you how to do it. It's not too bad. You just gotta get used to it. Okay, so one thing to watch out for is that this bead is directional. So you need to know which direction you want it to go, whether the bead is going to roll on the inside or you want to go roll this way. Because you know, it's important, because you got to plan ahead of time. Sometimes you want the recess and you ended up with this side like this. So just make sure you know what you want before you roll it. Now the bead rolling is done for that panel over there. I'm gonna go ahead and weld it in. So some of the interior is way too big to cut cardboard, and so what I did was I just take dimensions of different things. I'm just gonna try for the metal, cut it, and hopefully, you know, it'll fit. There might be some trimming required, so that's more on this side. So we'll get it to metal and we'll see how it goes. Well guys, I bead rolled the two top pieces and welded in, looking really good. Now the bottom piece right there, that's too long, and my setup doesn't allow me to put a bead roll on that area, so that's okay. The two top pieces are looking really good. That side's done. So you can see from front to back, everything is completed. Just need to do a lot of grinding. Get rid of those weld beats. And so this driver side is not done yet. I cut a few pieces here, but I ran out of time. So the truck's looking really good now. You can see that interior I put in makes a huge difference on the way the truck looks. Let's do a quick walk around here, looking from the back. There we go. Well guys, this is as far as I can push for this weekend. It's getting quite warm out here. It's not very comfortable to do cuttings and weldings out here in the mid 80s and humid. So late Sunday afternoon, I'm gonna call it quit for the weekend. I'm gonna post this so you guys know what I've been up to the last couple of weekends. Next weekend, I'm gonna go ahead and do the driver side. When that's done, then I think it's time to go do some grinding. So until then, appreciate you guys tuning in to KT Garage. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.